Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana gained equal popularity as the actual epic, if not more, and thus being a part of the legendary television serial which changed the history of Indian television is something that most people could only dream of. Actors who were a part of this 1980s big hit are still recognized, respected, and are given a certain prestige in the country that many actors aspire. From this deep desire of getting the same amount of love and respect as Sagar's Ramayana actors, a woman called Prabha Mishra took it upon herself to impersonate the famous Aparajita Bhushan, who was seen playing Mandodari in Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana. For 15 years, the imposter Prabha Mishra has given multiple interviews as Aparajita Bhushan and was proud to share some of her so-called best days of her life. Aparajita Bhushan, the worthy daughter of Bollywood actor Bharat Bhushan, quit acting in 1997 and is a renowned writer since. To her utmost shock, she found out that Prabha Mishra had been impersonating her for 15 years without her getting even a hint of the wrongdoing. After getting to know what was being done behind her back, she called Prabha Mishra and confronted her. According to Aparajita, she said, "I have worked day and night and have overcome several roadblocks to create an identity of my own. So when I saw that someone else is using my identity, it broke me. But thanks to the media, I was able to clear the misunderstanding. But I still wonder, how did I not know about it for so many years? Around 4 months ago, I got to know that another woman is using my identity." She then said, after realizing what was going on, she reached up to the woman who was impersonating her. She revealed that she reached out to Prabha and questioned her about the reports, to which the latter said that she had no idea from where these reports had come up and even apologized for the same. But according to Aparajita, why would media write it if Prabha did not say anything like that? Aparajita said, "She gave me many excuses, but finally confessed to what she had done and cried over the phone asking to be forgiven." The actress also revealed that she agreed to forgive Prabha only on certain conditions. One, that she asked the media to take down all the interviews in which she had claimed to be Aparajita. And number two, that she gives in a writing that Prabha did not play Mandodari in Ramayana. However, for the next few days, Aparajita did not get any response from Prabha. She then called her up and warned that if she did not give it in a writing, Aparajita would reveal about her on the national television. It was after this incident that Prabha finally sent a mail stating that she was not the one who played Mandodari.